Good morning, students. Welcome back. I hope you're fit and healthy. We are discussing types of vegetations. And in previous video, we have already discussed tropical evergreen forest and tropical deciduous forest. Now today, we'll be discussing next three types of forests. The third type of forest is the thorn forest and the scrubs. In regions with less than 70 centimeter of rainfall, the natural vegetation consists of thorny trees and bushes. 70 सेंटीमीटर से कम बारिश वाले इलाकों के अंदर कटीले झाड़ियां और पेड़ पाए जाते हैं. This type of vegetation is found in northwestern parts of the country, including semi-arid areas of Gujarat, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Uttar Pradesh and Haryana. हरियाणा, उत्तर प्रदेश, छत्तीसगढ़, मध्य प्रदेश, राजस्थान और गुजरात के इलाकों में ये जंगल पाए जाते हैं. Acacia palms, euphorbias and cacti are the main plant species. Trees are scattered and have long roots penetrating deep into the soil in order to get moisture. Acacia palm, euphorbia और cacti प्रजाति के पेड़ यहाँ पाए जाते हैं. यहाँ पर पेड़ दूरी पर होते हैं और साथ ही साथ इनकी जड़ें जमीन में गहरी होती हैं ताकि ये जमीन से पानी सोख सके. The stems are succulent to conserve water. Leaves are mostly thick and small to minimize evaporation. डंडियां मोटी होती हैं ताकि पानी सोख सकें और पत्तियां छोटी और मोटी होती हैं ताकि उनमें से पानी कम उड़े. These forests give way to thorn forest and scrubs in arid areas. In these forests, the common animals are rats, mice, rabbits, fox, wolf, tiger, lion, wild ass, horses and camels. ये इन जंगलों के अंदर रैट, माइस, रैबिट, फॉक्स, वुल्फ, टाइगर, लायन, वाइल्ड एस, हॉर्सेस और कैमल्स पाए जाते हैं. Now the next is montane forests. In mountainous areas, the decrease in temperature with increasing altitude leads to the corresponding change in natural vegetation. पहाड़ी इलाकों में तापमान और ऊंचाई के अनुसार वनस्पति परिवर्तित होती है. As such, there is a succession of natural vegetation belts in same order as we see some from the tropical to the tundra region. अलग अलग तरह के जंगल यहाँ आ जाते हैं. The wet temperature type of forests are found between a height of 1000 to 2000 meters. 1000 से 2000 मीटर की ऊंचाई पर टेम्परेट फॉरेस्ट पाए जाते हैं. एवरग्रीन ब्रॉडलीफ ट्रीज सच एज ओक्स एंड चेस्टनट्स प्रीडोमिनेट. यहाँ पर ओक और चेस्टनट के पेड़ ज्यादा पाए जाते हैं. बिटवीन 1500 and 3000 meters, temperate forests containing coniferous trees like pine, deodar, silver fir, spruce and cedar are found. 1500 से 3000 की मीटर की ऊंचाई पर पाइन, देवदार, सिल्वर फर, स्प्रूस और सेडार के पेड़ पाए जाते हैं. These forests cover mostly the southern slopes of the Himalayas, places having high altitudes in southern and northeast India. At higher elevation, temperate grasslands are common. At high altitudes, generally more than 3600 meters above sea level, temperate forests and grasslands give way to the alpine vegetation. 3600 मीटर की ऊंचाई के बाद में यहाँ पर alpine vegetation आ जाती है. Silver fir, junipers, pines and birches are the common trees of these forests. However, they get progressively stunted as they approach the snow line. आगे आगे जैसे जैसे बर्फ की मात्रा बढ़ती जाती है वैसे ही vegetation कम है. Ultimately, through shrubs and scrubs, they merge into the alpine grasslands. झाड़ियों से ये घास पर आ जाती है. These are used extensively for grazing by nomadic tribes like the Gujars and Bakarwals. At higher altitudes, mosses and lichens form parts of the tundra vegetation. और यहाँ पर कश्मीर stag, spotted deer, wild sheep, jack, rabbit, Tibetan antelope, yak, snow leopard, squirrels, shaggy horned wild ibex, bear, rare red panda, sheep और goats पाए जाते हैं. Now the next type of vegetation is mangrove forests. The mangrove tidal forests are found in areas of coast influenced by tides. Mud and silt get accumulated on such coasts. Dense mangroves are common varieties with the roots of the plants सबमर्ज्ड अंडर वाटर। दलदली इलाकों में ये जंगल पाए जाते हैं। द डेल्टास ऑफ गंगा, महानदी, कृष्णा, गोदावरी, कावेरी आर कवर्ड बाय सच वेजिटेशन। इन डेल्टास पे ये जंगल है। In the Ganga-Brahmaputra delta, Sundari trees are found which provide durable hard timber. Palm, coconut, keora, agar also grow in some parts of the delta. Royal Bengal tiger is famous animal in these forests. इन जंगलों में रॉयल बंगाल टाइगर के साथ साथ में टर्टल, क्रोकोडाइल्स, घड़ियाल्स एंड स्नेक्स आर फाउंड. Now till now we have been discussing vegetation. Now is the wildlife. Like its flora, India is also rich in its fauna. It has approximately 90,000 of animal species. The country has about 2,000 species of birds. They constitute 13% of world's. 90,000 के करीब जानवर हैं, जहां पर 2,000 तो सिर्फ पक्षी की प्रजातियां ही हैं, जो पूरे संसार का 13% है. There are 2,546 species of fish which account for nearly 12% of वर्ल्ड स्टॉक. 2,546 तरह की मछलियां पाई जाती हैं. इट ऑल्सो शेयर्स बिटवीन 5 and 8% of world's amphibians, reptiles and mammals. The elephants are the most majestic animals among the mammals. They are found in hot, wet forests of Assam, Karnataka and Kerala. Now again, for wildlife you have to underline or make notes regarding which species of animal is found in which area. कौन से जानवर किस इलाकों में पाए जाते हैं. One-horned rhinoceros are the other animals which live in swampy and marshy lands of Assam and West Bengal. Arid areas of Run of Kutch and Thar deserts are the habitat for wildlife and camels respectively. Indian bison, nilgai, chausinga, gazelle and different species of deer are some other animals found in India. It also has several species of monkeys. India is the only country in the world that has both tigers and lions. The natural habitat of the Indian lion is the Gir forest in Gujarat. Tigers are found in forests of Madhya Pradesh, Sundarbans of West Bengal and Himalayan regions. Leopards too are members of the cat family. They are important among animals of prey. The Himalayas harbor a hardy range of animals which survive in extreme cold. Ladakh's freezing high altitudes are a home to yak, the shaggy horned wild ox weighing around 1 ton, Tibetan antelope, the bharal, wild sheep, and the kyang. Furthermore, the ibex, bear, snow leopard, and very red panda are found in certain pockets. In the rivers, lakes, and coastal areas, turtles, crocodiles, and gharials are found. The latter is the only representative of the variety of crocodile found in the world today. Now, with these paragraphs, we have come to know that India is having different vegetations, as well as India is also having different species of animals in different relief features. Bird life in India is colorful. Peacocks, pheasants, ducks, parakeets, cranes and pigeons are some of the birds inhabiting the forests and wetlands of the country. We have selected our crops from a biodiverse environment, that is from the reserve of edible plants. We also experimented and selected many medicinal plants. The animals were selected from large stock provided by nature as milch animals. They also provided us drought power, transportation, meats and eggs. The fish provide nutritive food. Many insects help in pollination of crops and fruits, trees and exert biological control on such insects which are harmful. Every species has a role to play in the ecosystem. Hence, conservation is essential. हमने ये देखा कि भारत के अंदर बहुत सारी प्रजाति के पेड़ हैं, लेकिन हर एक को हम खा नहीं सकते, तो हमने उन्हें डिवाइड कर दिया. कुछ फ्लावरिंग प्लांट्स हो गए, कुछ एडिबल प्लांट्स हो गए. इसी तरह से हमने जानवरों को भी डिवाइड कर दिया. कुछ को हमने खेतों को जोतने के लिए बना लिया, कुछ को हमने मिल्क एनिमल्स में के रूप में डिवाइड कर दिया, जो हमें दूध भी देते हैं, जिनसे मीट भी मिलती है, कुछ से अंडे मिलते हैं. कुछ जंगलों में रहते हैं, कुछ घरों के अंदर रहते हैं. As has been mentioned earlier, due to excessive exploitation of plants and animals resourced by human beings, the ecosystem has been disturbed. About 1,300 plant species are endangered and 20 species are extinct. इंसान की दखलंदाजी के कारण 1,300 पेड़ पौधे और 20 जानवरों की प्रजातियां तकरीबन खतरे में आ चुकी। Quite a few animal species are also endangered and some have been extinct. The main causes of this major threat to nature are hunting by greedy hunters for commercial purposes, pollution due to chemical and industrial waste, acid deposits, introduction of alien species, and reckless cutting of forests to bring land under cultivation and inhabitation are also responsible for the impact. जो मेन कारण है, now this paragraph gives you answer for the question what are the reasons responsible for the threat to the nature. Next points you can convert into another question, and that is what steps have been taken to check to protect the flora and fauna. So what steps have been taken? The first is 14 biosphere reserves have been set up in the country to protect flora and fauna. 4 out of these, Sundarbans in West Bengal, Nanda Devi in Uttarakhand, Gulf of Mannar in Tamil Nadu, and Nilgiris, Kerala, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu have been included in the World Network Biosphere. सबसे पहले 14 बायोस्फीयर रिजर्व बनाए गए हैं जिनसे जानवरों को और पेड़ पौधों को बचाया जा सके. Second, financial and technical assistance is provided to many botanical gardens by the government since 1992. 1992 से बहुत सारे botanical gardens बने हैं जिनको सरकार के द्वारा एड्स प्रोवाइड की जाती है. Third is Project Tiger, Project Rhino, Project Great Indian Bustard and many other eco-developmental projects have been introduced. बहुत सारे जानवरों और पेड़ पौधों को बचाने के लिए अलग अलग प्रोजेक्ट सरकार ने शुरू किए हैं. Fourth is 89 national parks, 490 wildlife sanctuaries and zoological gardens are set up to take care of natural heritage. बहुत सारे नेशनल पार्क्स, वाइल्ड सैंक्चुरीज और जूलॉजिकल गार्डन्स बनाए गए हैं ताकि प्राकृतिक जो हमारी संपदा है उसे हम संपत्ति को बचा सकें. All of us must realize the importance of the natural ecosystem for our own survival. It is possible if indiscriminate destruction of natural environment is put to an immediate end. यदि हमें हमारा ही भविष्य सुरक्षित रखना है तो हमें इस प्रकृति को बचाना होगा, जानवरों पेड़ पौधों को बचाना. So the first step that you can do is plant a tree and try to save the vegetation. With this, we come to the end of the chapter Natural Vegetation and Wildlife. I hope you have understood it. Very soon, we'll meet with the next videos. Until then, stay safe and healthy.